nearly every aspect of our lives, people strive to achieve. As individuals and teams, they take pride in their achievements. We at Lane Award Manufacturing derive our own pride from creating and offering awards that are worthy of these achievers, that stand up to the closest examination and reflecting the value and spirit of accomplishment and success. Lane Award Manufacturing is the authority in recognition and achievement. Founded in 1965, Lane Award Manufacturing has been creating high-quality products to meet the needs of achievers for 4 decades. Located in Phoenix and covering over 30,000 square feet, our facilities include offices, manufacturing, and the largest showroom in the Southwest. Visit our showroom or website to view our wide variety of awards and recognition items, including glass and crystal, standing awards, wooden and resin pour plaques and clocks, desk accessories, and apparel. Everything for your corporate needs. Because Lane Award is the manufacturer as well as the distributor, we can supply awards that fit any budget. Our customer service professionals will help you select and personalize awards that specifically fit your needs. Whether it be custom tailoring an employee recognition program that lasts through the years, or discovering unique items that are a special way to say thanks. Recognition has never been more important than it is today. Companies understand that recognizing achievement is a very small investment for the large returns of employee loyalty, extra effort, and high morale. Research has shown time and again that while competitive pay and benefits may attract the best talents, it is an environment that promotes recognition throughout the company that stands the best chance of retaining valued employees and sustaining growth. As a leader in the awards industry, Lane Award Manufacturing is committed to excellence. Our quality products begin with quality designs. Using computer technology, our design center will assist you in applying logos and artwork to customize your order. Our products are crafted with the highest quality materials. Working with wood, marble, metal, acrylic, and glass, our technicians and skilled craftsmen create elegant awards that reflect both the achievement and your appreciation. We handpick and hand stain our woods, matching the grains precisely. We use deep etching to personalize your glass items. Resin pour can provide a high gloss finish and 4-color process to enhance your message on plaques and clocks. While other companies find these processes too involved, Lane understands that the quality of the award itself is a loud statement. No matter what your needs, we have the resources to produce any type of awards program. We can etch your custom design into metal to create a personalized symbol of achievement, screen print on a variety of surfaces, and using laser technology, burn your name or logo into almost any material. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Lane Award's computer embroidery and screen printing departments customize shirts, jackets, hats, and other clothing items. Lane Award can help you create specialty apparel by adding your corporate logo to fashionable sportswear. These great promotional items get your business name out of the office and in front of the public. Whether your goal is to recognize a single employee or hundreds of top performers, Lane Award will guide you every step of the way. Our sophisticated quality control processes monitor your order through each phase of production. We ship merchandise to national and international destinations. At Lane Award Manufacturing, we are proud of our employees for their distinction in craftsmanship, customer service, and safety. As Lane Award continues to grow as a leader in the awards industry, we look forward to assisting you in the creation of awards that remain treasured possessions and constant reminders of your appreciation. Come visit Lane Award Manufacturing and see why we are the authority in recognition and achievement.